Don't you love laundry day? But more importantly, I have a question for you. How do you fold your towels? Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. So today I have with me Sal.
Your pal.
Sal, show me how you fold your towels.
So I do like this. Very simple. And I get tired of this. 1, 2, 3.
So this is obviously a very simple way that you can fold a towel, right? Yes. And it's a very sloppy way too, right guys? Check this out. Do you do it this way? Obviously you're trying to...
Here we go.
Well, you're trying to skip a couple steps, but let me show you a few ways that you can actually make your towels look more professionally folded. In our house, we don't have a physical laundry room where you have a table that you can lay things out and fold them multiple times. From the dryer, what we do is we plop our newly fresh clothes here inside this chair, and then basically we stand here
and fold.
So, this is what we do, and this is how I taught Sal how to fold towels. First of all, take your towel, and we're gonna fold it in half. And then we're gonna fold it again in thirds. So now there's two ways to do this depending on the style that you want. For us, we'll start with the folded version. So what you want to do is make sure that if you have a pattern or something fancy on your towel, that stays on the outside of the towel that you're going to fold. And what you want to do is just roll it, and roll it down your body, right? Because we don't have a table to do it on.
This is unique.
So then we come with a nice rolled fold towel like this. You have the accent out on the outside, and then what you would do is that you would highlight this area of the towel versus necessarily this one, which isn't as clean. And we usually fold our towels this way, and I'll show you why in a second, because we put them in a unique place in our bathroom. The second option that I was telling you about, again, fold it in half, fold it again in thirds, and if you didn't want a rolled towel and you wanted to stack your towels instead, you would just put this again in threes. You can use your body if you don't have a flat surface, and there you go. You would highlight this part of the towel again, the nice folded clean lines, or this way too. Stack it on here. Almost as good as mine. So that's basically how we fold towels inside our house, but we were recently on vacation, and let me show you a few ways they folded their towels at the hotel. They started by folding the towel in threes. Fold one side into the center and then the other on top to the center. Next, fold it in half and then fold it again or hang on the towel rack. Here is their rolled version. Fold the towel in half. Then fold both sides into the center. Finally, roll the towel. This technique provides folds on all sides. No matter how you decide to fold your towels, just remember you need clean, crisp lines to show off to either home buyers or guests. So now it's time to chime in. Tell me below how you fold your towels. Also, don't forget to subscribe below. Go check out this video next, and you can also visit us at www.ToriToth.com for more home tips. Until next time, happy folding.